Hi guys, welcome back for another removal video. Here we have an Audi A3. I will remove the spoiler, rear spoiler, and also the tailgate panel, because in order to remove the spoiler we also need to remove the tailgate panel. Inside there are two Torx T25. Here are the clips. Now I will remove this trim. Here you will have two clips on the upper side. You can see that two clips are still on the frame. Inside you will have 4 bolts. They are 10mm. Now the spoiler is hauled out by clips. To make things easier, I will spray some WD-40 on the clips. You can see on the sides there are 2 big clips. My tip is not to just pull the spoiler out, also push on the sides in order to release them. How you guys can see, one clip is still there, it's broken. This is why I have it. Here are the 2 big clips on the sides. You need to push on the sides in order to release them, not to break them. And on these ones I sprayed WD-40. And there are 5 yellow clips and another 2 strong white clips. And this is it guys, this is your spoiler and the tailgate panel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time with another removal.